Start by steaming peppers without adding water. Allow to cool down before blending. Add some vegetables or lalo to heat up. I added chicken stock for more flavor. Some dry beef. Salt and seasoning to taste. Allow the stew to cook for a few minutes before adding the tilapia fish. I have a video on how you can smoke your tilapia fish. Link in the description below. Cover and allow to cook till it's perfectly done. Give it final stir and it ready enjoy with rice fufu and so on. Link to the okra soup in the description below.